Alright, let's try this again. So I ordered these 3 universal fittings for the air conditioner. This one's too big. Too big. Too small. So I think I'm gonna have this cut off and have something custom put here. And it's gonna be pretty tricky just because there's not a lot of length right here. Worst case scenario, probably have to weld directly to this. Alright, so I already did the crappy part. This little clip right here. This kit from Z1 Motorsports Centric Parts will have all the replacement springs and everything to refresh your Z brakes. So it comes with a new washer, new clip. You slide the clip on, then you pinch it, and boom. And both of these are labeled, so this will have L, which is driver's side, R is passenger side. So we got our backing plate here, or dust shield, whatever you want to call it. It's the Z1 Motorsports anchor here. I guess like just depending on what kit you buy, this part may vary. Just to compare, this is what I would have been dealing with had I used, so I would have had to put washers behind this to get this to sit in the same position as my brakes. So just food for thought. I didn't know that, so I'm glad that I bought these as a just in case. So nothing I hate more than starting to work on something and then I get caught dead in my tracks. You're gonna need Big Mama Jamma for this right here, 1/1/16. It's got a Teflon locking nut in there, so pretty nice. So just an FYI, you're gonna need a big ass socket to get that in. What I kind of did last time. For me, this just kind of helps keep this in place. So first we're gonna put this bad boy in here. I have not seen anything screwed into this, and I have not seen anything used with the original hump on the other one, so I don't know if that is an ABS thing. My car does not have ABS. Alright. This will go here. We'll put that on last. This will go in here. So this part goes on the back side. So let's see. Yeah, cable's gonna come to this. Your brake cable is gonna come through, get slotted into that. I haven't seen anyone do like a good tutorial on how to do that, but once you get the cable through here, I see most people do this on the car. I don't know, it's just easier for me to do it off of the car. Plus, there's other stuff I'm trying to fix over there. I'd say the easiest out of everything is these. Put this little guy in here, put a spring on the back. So when this is vertical, that's not screwed in, and when it's sideways, it's screwed in. So you're just gonna look for the slot that's right here on the side, and then you're just gonna push this in and then turn the key, and this will do the rest. And it's a little tricky on both sides, so it says this was easy. Alright, so that side's screwed in. Time to screw in the other side. Alright, locked in. So this side, go over here. Spring will go on the opposite side. Probably easier to do all that after the fact. It's the tricky McDicky part, so you take this guy right here. Doesn't really matter what orient. I guess you want to push down to expand it. I mean, it really depends. You just got to remember how you put this thing in here. I don't know how I did on the other side, so I spin it downwards. It should be expanding. Okay, cool. We don't want that to expand too much because it's gonna make something else suck. We'll be dealing with all of this stuff kind of bouncing all over the place. So as I turn this down, this presses this apart. The shoes will press on the inner side of the rotor. So the rebuild kit, orange goes on the bottom, These two green ones, little hookies here go inside, and then these go across this bad boy, however you may get them across. So we'll do the bottom one first. This goes up this way. Before you get all excited, put those springs on first. Almost fucked up and did that myself. I don't know how the fuck anyone does this while it's on the car. God bless you. You gonna get it? You just gotta have that kung fu grip, which I don't have. Well, now I gotta go on an adventure. BRB. Having performance issues. Nah, this is the best one, I promise. I don't know why I'm having so much problems with this. Damn. Bro, how can I put fucking 500 pounds on a deadlift but I can't put this fucking spring in here? I don't know what to do, guys. That's it. Bro, it's just so hard my watch thinks I'm working out. Thinks I'm on an elliptical.
Workout paused.
Fucking A. Alright, so that's the e-brake assembly. Pretty much all back together. Normally these come, some people say it's easier to have the brake cable in first, but you can lift this up. Yeah, see, rotated. When you go to put this back on the car. Alright, week number 2 and we're back. So before I put this in the car, because there's no light over there, I just want to show you this this anchor from Z1. When I was putting these together and tightening it down, it twisted, so it was crooked. I just want to let you know that this needs to be flat or your rotor will not sit flush against this. So, and you could possibly damage your rotor. So, luckily I have not, but just an FYI, you want that straight before you put your rotor on. All right, cool. You fish the e-brake cable through that hole right there. The spring you want to perch. The e-brake the spring you want to perch right here, and you want to pull it, perch the spring right here. Just put the little tooth in, slide it in, bam, it's locked in. And if you need space, you can lift this up slightly. This whole assembly will lift up to give you some space to snake it in. And then you'll need a 10 millimeter. If you're putting this on an S14 like me, the S14 uses a M8 bolt for the S14 brake cables, so this will require a M8. So I got these M8 locking nuts. Sorry, the camera is like upside down, so I'm pretty much done with that. This looks like fucking, what is it, Blair Witch. That's it for the day. I just wanted to get that together before I leave. I'm gonna go put this stuff in a bag, so next time I come back and we have the suspension ready to receive this, I'm gonna slide the brake cable through here, pretty much do the same thing I did on this side, and then just get everything popping and ready to roll for the next time I'm here. Thank you for rocking with me. I know this, I'm gonna try and chop it up so it's pretty fast, do the whole YouTube magic thing. I feel like I didn't really get anything significant done, but I got a lot done. The writing on the windshield definitely is going to help me just focus on what I came here for. It's really easy for me to start doing one thing and it's like, oh, but I want to see this thing mocked up real quick, just like, you know how I put the wheel on there, but I don't have the brakes or anything like that. So it's that excitement of doing stuff. Like I still want to see like what my final product's gonna be. You know, I'll always geek about that because that's what this is all about. Anyways, it's dark as hell in this garage. All I got is that light over there and the light on my camera. So deuce. Thank you guys for hanging out, and I'll see you next time.